So today we will be discussing the myths surrounding YouTube. And while there are far too many, we will be discussing only five, and the five myths which are perhaps the most ridiculous ones. The first one is about number of views and number of subscribers. The number of subscribers may well be 10,000 in a particular channel. That particular channel often does not get 10,000 views. It often gets 100 views on an average for a channel that size. For a channel which is 1 million subscribers, that channel often gets something like 10,000 to 1,000 views on an average. Why does that happen? That happens because YouTube promotes those videos of those channels which are watched with regularity. So if, let's say for example, you are uploading a video and your subscribers are constantly watching your videos on your channel, but on one particular video it skips it and it does not watch your video, next time onwards YouTube will perhaps not show him the notification for that particular video on the home page. But that would not have happened if you would have asked your subscribers to subscribe and hit the bell icon, which I am about to do, that please subscribe and hit the bell icon and do watch my videos in the near future. So that's how you ensure that the views are higher on your YouTube channel. So that's the first point, that the number of views are often not equal to the number of subscribers. If let's say today I think that my subscribers will hit 10,000 subscribers and I'll get 10,000 views for every video and I'll get so much of money for every video, that does not happen. It depends on the topic, how helpful that topic is, and the number of views depends on how regular you are and how you can instigate this binge watching effect. So the second biggest myth about YouTube as a platform is that let's say you can start a channel. Someone comes up and tells you, hey, start a channel, then you can advertise your way up to 10,000 subscribers or 1 million subscribers. But it doesn't happen that way, and for two different reasons. Well, YouTube actually considers those subscribers which have been garnered without advertisements. So if you have advertised your way up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours with the basis of advertisements, it will not be considered when you are getting your payment from YouTube. So it is very important that you focus on organic growth. That's very important and it's imperative for your growth as a YouTube channel. Secondly, the reason why YouTube does not perhaps consider those channels and those hours which you garner, watch hours and your subscribers which you get from advertisement, is because it wants to promote only those channels which are being clicked upon organically, those which is a shareable content, and those contents which are helpful, and those contents which help viewers stay on YouTube and does not instigate this feeling that hey, other channels are actually better, Instagram is better, TikTok is better. YouTube wants people to stay on YouTube. So if your videos help YouTube get more number of views and more number of watchable hours, then that's the kind of channel which grows faster, and that is how you get monetization quicker. So the third myth is you need to be an expert at whatever channel you start on YouTube. That couldn't have been further from the truth. When YouTube was started, it started as a platform for a community of, let's say, nature lovers or dog lovers or travel lovers. So it doesn't necessarily mean that the person who has started a dog loving channel, he's a veterinarian or something like that. It is not like that. Maybe you're just a person who likes animals and you have started a dog lovers channel, right? So the same follows for all other niches as well. But of course, if you have, then again, there are some exceptions to this rule. Let's say, for example, if you're a doctor and you are doing it for your hospital, then of course you need to be a doctor in order to promote your YouTube channel online, even if organically or otherwise, whatever it is. You need to be a doctor. When it comes to professional services, the idea is different. But if let's say you are good at chess and you want to start a channel about that, you can do that without being anywhere close to Magnus Carlsen. So the fourth myth is about what to post. Many times people tell you that you can post anything and everything under the sun, but that's a myth, and I'll tell you why that's a myth. Because the thing is that even if you use the tags and if you use everything in YouTube SEO, that will not be enough for you to micro niche yourself. So the thing is that you have to first tabulate the first 10 videos and make a list about what you have to say, why you want to say it, and is it even being searched upon in YouTube, especially in YouTube. I'm not talking about Google, because Google Keyword Planner, many times people just search for what is being searched on Google and then they start making topics on that. It's better to fine tune your searches only for YouTube. And you can use any other keyword planner for that. You can use vidIQ, you can use TubeBuddy, or you can use any other platform for that matter. Even if you don't use a keyword planner, that will still work. You just have to go and search for what is being searched for in YouTube. When you search for something on YouTube and then you start writing, it prompts you a lot of subject topics. That is, those are the topics which are being searched upon on YouTube with great regularity. So you have to make videos on those particular topics. So 10 topics you have to decide before you start any channel. So once you make those 10 videos, YouTube gets an idea about which category you fall into. Let's say, for example, you're a car enthusiast, and you may start making videos about vintage cars only. And then those videos will be showed to those people who are watching videos on vintage cars every day. So if, let's say, for example, you make the first 5 videos on vintage cars and then suddenly you start talking about racing cars, then YouTube starts getting confused. So please don't confuse the system. Make a list of 10 videos, and you can intersperse those filler videos maybe much later when your channel has grown to 50 videos old and it has a lot of subscribers comparatively. So that's something which you need to be mindful about. So the fifth myth is that you have to share your videos with all your friends and family. The biggest myth, I'm telling you, the biggest myth, that you have to share your friends with all your friends and all your family members. Tell me something, would all your friends watch your videos, the whole video, hit the like and subscribe the channel? No, they won't. Even if they want to, they'd forget about it. Maybe somebody comes and rings the bell, maybe they're doing some work in the office, they'll forget about it, they'll not hit the like button, perhaps they'll watch 2 minutes of the video, skip the rest of the 12 and then say, hey, I watched the video. And well, you can't really say anything to them because, well, your envy is asking for their help and it doesn't work that way. So what do you do instead? You rather make a video, you refer it only to those people who will watch the whole video. It's not relevant that the number of views do not matter. If, let's say, that one view gets you only 2 seconds or 3 seconds worth of watch time, where will that reflect when it comes to monetization? Where will it reflect when it comes to YouTube wondering whether it should promote your videos on the watch page or on the home page or suggested videos? No, it doesn't happen that way. See, the thing is that you have to start promoting your videos to only those people who want to watch those videos. If the people do not want to watch those videos, well, you're getting into the wrong category, and YouTube does not want that. YouTube wants those channels who know how to micro niche and who know where their audience is. So here it is. These are the 5 myths surrounding YouTube as a platform, and I'm sure that you will get a lot of value out of this video. Be mindful of micro niching. Be mindful of creating shareable content. Be mindful of reminding your subscribers to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and be mindful of sharing your videos only with those people who will watch your channels in the beginning. And even if, let's say, they do not watch your channels, do not worry, your YouTube channel will grow if you are consistent with your work.